wanted it to be like a really self-contained like universe and be able to transform the space quite quickly. I guess it just came from a long process of me thinking about how I can do something interesting in a space that can be its like own universe. People often label my work as fun or like emotional or something because I think it does kind of have so much colour in it. People don't really know what to do with it. I can't not use colour. It's just very natural to me and it brings me happiness. The funnest bit by far is the process. I could sample and work all day. And this will never be done. If you said I could have this for a year, I'd come in and paint in here for a year. I'm never finished. I think you have to be really selfish to get into something. I'm quite a fan of locking myself away and getting obsessed by things, you know. I think you have to be quite protective of that element. As soon as I've shown something, I don't want to look at it again, really. I'm kind of over it, and that's kind of healthy. I don't like having to justify stuff, really. And I think that's also quite freeing when you can get to that point. You don't care and you don't have to explain it to people. No one knew what I was going to do in the books. And that to me is like ultimate luxury. It takes work. The amount of horrible things I've had to make in my life to get anything what I would deem nice. It's just part of the process, I think. So I think it's just finding a way of being creative in a way that you can enjoy and still do without making yourself feel exhausted. If you just do it for you, it takes a bit of the pressure off. It depends how you work, you know. But for me, it's very like I like to be quick and I like to see what happens and be kind of open to that. It took me a while to own that power, I guess, because a lot of other people were very, very technical and I'd be like, why am I not technical? And then I am, just in a very different way. I think a lot of it's about confidence, making decisions you're actually confident in, is in all aspects of the work, even like how you present it, like portfolio and how you present yourself. It's important to showcase that you know who you are or who your work is, whether they like it or not. It's gone from being white to being layered and layered and layered and layered. And now I'm literally glued to the chair with paint. And I haven't really stepped away and looked at it yet.